Received an MTX file from a scientific computing project or math library? This is a standard interchange format for sparse matrices used across computational science. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load and work with these matrix market data files. To quickly determine if the MTX file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. MTX files are matrix market. Exchange format files containing sparse or dense matrix data in a standardized text format. Used extensively in scientific computing, numerical analysis, and machine learning benchmarks. They store matrix dimensions, element values, and structural metadata for interoperable mathematical data exchange. MTX files use plain ASCII text beginning with a matrix market banner header, specifying object type format and field qualifiers. The header is followed by matrix dimensions and nonzero count. Then coordinate entries listing row, column, and value triplets for sparse matrices or sequential values for dense array format. Guaranteed access to MTX files is typically achieved using MATLAB from MathWorks. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. Your first step towards successfully opening the file. Right-click the MTX file and select Open With. If MATLAB is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. If your MTX file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, loading in MATLAB. Open MATLAB and use the mmread function or readMatrix command to load the MTX file into a sparse matrix variable. Type A, mred, file name MTX, to import the matrix. MATLAB displays the sparse matrix structure, and you can visualize it using SPI-A to see the sparsity pattern or full A for small dense views. Next, using Python SciPy. In Python, import the scipy.io module and use scipy.io at mmred, file name MTX, to load the matrix market file as a sparse matrix. Convert to dense format with Torre for small matrices, or use sparse matrix operations directly. The mminfo function displays matrix dimensions and format before loading. Finally, viewing and converting. Open the MTX file in any text editor to inspect the header and first several data entries. For conversion, use the SciPy mmwrite function to save in matrix market format, or convert to CSV using Pandas data frame export. MATLAB can also save loaded matrices to MATCSV or HDF5 formats for use in other applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.